Hey guys, Kurt here again with NK Garage, and today, I got another tool haul for you guys that I got from eBay, another auction lot that I got, kind of interested in and ended up buying. And this is exciting because I think it's the largest amount of Craftsman wrenches I've ever bought in one purchase. So I got interested in this lot because there's a lot of larger metric wrenches, which I've been coming across some of those recently, and I'm trying to put together a set. So that was kind of one of the things that got me attracted to this lot, along with some other unique pieces like some tappet wrenches and line wrenches and some other stuff. So you'll get to check that out in just a minute. So stay tuned and let's get into it, guys. All right, guys. So take a look at all of these Craftsman wrenches. I counted them out. There are 294 wrenches in total. And I definitely needed a lot of space to set these all up for you guys. But I know most of you like to see everything laid out. So I took the time, laid everything out, categorized them mainly by wrench style, separated SAE from metric. So let's take a look at what we got. First off, over here, again, like I said before, I really wanted these metric wrenches. The absolute beauty of them all was this 30mm Craftsman wrench, and it's a V series, made in USA, part number 42935. And it's in really good shape. It doesn't look like it's been beat on or hammered. There's no owner's marks, and I was really happy to pick that one up. Along with that, we also got, in the V series, the 27mm, the 26mm, the 24mm, and the 23mm. These are less common that, I find that it's hard to get these. You can find them on eBay, you can always, pay the price, but when you're trying to find, a bulk deal or, really trying to find something reasonably priced, it's kind of hard to get these larger sizes in the metric series. So I was totally happy to get those. And also in metric, we got two 19mm, got an 18mm, got four 17mm, we got three 15mm, and then over here I got laid out, I got three of the 14mm, there's three 13mm, this one's out of place, my apologies guys. Then we got two 12mm, three 11s, we got four 10s, four 9s, two 8s, and two 7s. So I consider that definitely a win. I always try to find metric wrenches. They're less common than the SAE wrenches, but I got a pretty good amount of them here and a pretty good amount of sizes. We were able to get three of the 6-point wrenches, two 14s, and a 16. Over in the SAE department, the largest wrench we got was a 15/16, and then down from there, we got a couple of 13/16 wrenches. We were able to get a good amount of 3/4 inch wrenches. We got a good amount of 11/16 wrenches, and we got plenty of 5/8, 9/16. We got the 1/2 inch wrenches are all over here. We got 7/16. Got plenty of those common sizes. There's even more down here. We got plenty of 3/8 wrenches, and we were able to get four 11/32 wrenches, which I think is pretty cool, especially two of them are the old Flying V series and the other two are VA series. So there's definitely going to help me put some sets together. There's also some 5/16 wrenches and the 1/4 inch wrenches. Now, all the SAE wrenches were 12-point, except for I believe there's one 5/16 and the 6-point. So that's pretty good. Most of the wrenches are 12-point. But when I do get the 6-point wrenches, I do get a little excited because they are harder to come by. Over here, we got some line wrenches. They're all USA made. We got a couple doubles and triples. We got two of the 3/8 7/16, three of the 1/2 inch 9/16, got three of the 5/8 11/16, and one 3/4 7/8. But that's a pretty good amount of them. We didn't get any metric line wrenches in this haul, unfortunately, but we did get a lot of SAE ones. Over here, we got some speed wrenches. And I never got into these, but some guys do use them. and I definitely think they're cool. We got some older Flying V ones, which I hadn't seen before. They're definitely shorter compared to the newer series that they had. You know, this one's a VA series. And the 3/8, you know, for the Flying V is definitely, it's about like 2 inches shorter than the other one. And we got some various other ones, you know, the 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4. I think there's almost a set of the newer VA series. We're missing the 1/2 inch one. And then for the Flying V series, you know, it's mixed here and there. We only got one of the Craftsman Professional Series wrenches. These are definitely hard to find, and people do not like to let go of these. This one here is just a 1/2 inch. Nothing crazy, but still cool to find. We got a obstruction wrench or starter manifold wrench, however you want to call it, made by Craftsman, the V series, number 4376. Over here we got some ignition wrenches and stuff like that. We even have a whole pouch of them with the Craftsman crown logo here. And we got a bunch of double box wrenches. We got some stubby ones here, and then we got some longer offset double box wrenches. Most of them are the Flying V series. Some of them are actually even older. This one and the one on the end don't have the V mark at all. And this one right here is actually a C1 wrench. Over here, we got some double open wrenches. Most of them are SAE, and there are tons of them. Mostly, you know, all the common SAE ones. These wrenches aren't as desirable as any of the other wrenches, but they're definitely good to have, especially if you want to throw a set together and, you know, just have something, you know, on the go, or, you know, maybe in a side toolbox somewhere. They're not bad. We only got 2 of them in metric, but the rest are SAE, doubles, triples, quadruples. There's tons of them here. But let's go back to some of the interesting stuff. We got 4 tappet wrenches here. They're all V series, USA made. Only one of them has the part number here. Some of them have this, like the number 4, and down here says the number 1. This one also says the number 1. So it's not a full set, and they're from various, you know, series. They're all the V, but they were made at different times on different lines and stuff like that. We got 2 of the 3/8 7/16, one 1/2 inch by 9/16, and one 3/4 by 7/8 inch. Over here, it's mostly some ratchet wrenches, but we also have a Craftsman chain wrench made by Western Forge and a Craftsman USA 12-inch adjustable wrench. In the ratcheting wrenches, we got some metric ones here. These are the ones with the crown logo and the gray sides. We got the 8 by 6 millimeter. We got the 10 by 11, 12 by 13, 14 by 16, 17 by 19. Then we got a set of SAE ones over here. This is not the crown logo one. It's just the regular Craftsman with the part number. And then we have most of a set over here of the Sears in the box with the Craftsman name next to it. Just missing one of the pieces on this one. And then we have 2 spares over here and some bonus extra random pieces over here. There's 3 of the 6-point with the reversible switch, 2 of the offset, you know, 12-point for SAE. So this is a pretty good haul. I got this one on eBay. You know, I got into it because I saw the line wrenches, I saw that obstruction wrench, and then I was looking over and I saw the chain wrench and the adjustable wrench. But what really attracted me was the larger metric wrenches. So that's what got me into buying this. I paid about $300 for the lot shipped to my house. So I'd say it's a pretty good deal considering there's 294 pieces in total. So it comes to about $1 a wrench. There's definitely some cool stuff here and a lot of stuff I can use to make sets. There's definitely a lot of different series here. Like we got some older ones with the Flying V, and there's some of them that are even before they had the V stamp, so it's just the double lines. We got V series, VV series, VA series. I think there was a couple, maybe like 2 or 3 E series wrenches. So it's definitely a lot, you know, going on here, and hopefully I'll be able to put a couple sets together. But I've got a lot of wrenches in my inventory already, so I was really excited to get a bunch more try to put some sets together and get them up on eBay. I like to put these sets back together and get them back in good working hands again. You know, I don't like to hold on and hoard everything, and you know, I want people to be able to enjoy this kind of stuff. So I do it as a hobby because I love buying. I really do. I'm a bit of a wrench nuthead, and I just, you know, gotta every once in a while just go out and buy a bunch of wrenches. But at least, you know, I'll turn them around, try to at least make a little bit of a profit, put them on eBay, clean them up, get them ready for resale. So I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching the video today. You know, I hope you had fun, and let me know what you think is your favorite part about this tool haul. You know, maybe it's one particular wrench, or maybe it's one of these styles of wrenches. You know, maybe it's the speed wrenches, the line wrenches, I don't know. Tell me what you're most interested in and what you want to see come again in these future tool hauls, because I'm always out there looking to buy, looking to find different things. I mean, I just have fun learning about these wrenches, putting sets together, cleaning them. It's just a fun hobby. So let me know what's your favorite tool or tools and what you're looking to see. So thank you guys and have a wonderful day.